Hello kids, welcome back once again. Today in our previous video we have seen the leaf, how to draw the leaf by giving the border. First you should start any drawing, any art activity or craft activity. What you should do is you should first give a border line. Why we are giving a border line? Because within that border line only, within that boundary only we are supposed to do. Like supposed to draw, supposed to do any craft activity or something within that line, within that boundary only we should do. Hence we have given a boundary line for it. We have written the heading what we are supposed to draw, leaf. So we have given simple heading LEAF, leaf in capital. Then we have drawn followed by a shade, by giving a shade. Now again what we will do is we will again draw this also for the little kids. Again draw a border. For drawing, remember what should we do? We should draw a border, right? So just draw a border here. See here. You can see, I hope it's visible. Then give the border on 4 sides. Okay, it will be helpful for you as your drawing will be more creativity. More beautiful also it will be. Within that boundary if it's there. See, again. What you should do is you should see here. Now we have given a boundary, that is we have given a border for the border on 4 sides for a drawing. So again as I said, we will give first the heading, that is bat and ball. So we will just draw for you bat and a ball. Okay, bat and a ball. So you will see how to draw only for the children. Okay. We can draw by ourselves, but for children it will be a great creativity. In their fun time they can do. So see children, what is spelling of bat? B-at, bat. So we will write as simple. See, bat, B, give all in capital. Right? See, B-A-T, bat. Finger space, then and A-N-D, and then give a finger space and then write ball, B, that is B, all, A-L, L is a long sound, isn't it children? Yes, so bat and ball. See, bat and ball, right? Now we will do the drawing. See here, bat and ball. So we will first draw a bat here. First draw a bat here. Let's say a bat is standing like this side. So see here how to draw. Take a ruler. Give a slant here, or you can draw straight also. Give a slant if it's possible for you. Just give a slant. And here also give a slant. Okay. Once you give this slant, just what you do is just join the, see, just join here. It's simple drawing I am giving you. It's very simple. Okay, here. Then whatever edges are there, just rub it. Again draw properly. See, this is there. Just draw like this, straight line. And this is a bat. So this is a bat. So we will just drag till here. So this will be a bat. See here, this is a bat, simple bat. Bat. Now we will draw a ball. For ball, take a circle or take a bangle. Okay. Now keep this hold. Hold this. Then see like this. See here. So wherever it's not joined, try to erase lightly and try to join. Okay. See here. Now this is a circle. See, just draw a circle. Okay. See. Okay. This is a circle and just give here a like this. Again give a border for here. See, like this. Just try once again this one. See, bat and a ball. Now we will, what we'll do is we'll give an outer for it first. So let's say we are giving an outer red color. You can give by your own choice. What color you want can give. I'm just giving here one outer to look attractive. So just we will give here bat. So see here. See bat. Okay. Now we will give here some different color ball. Okay. Let's say the ball is in yellow color. Let's say the ball is in yellow color. So we will give this yellow shade. This from the yellow color outline we will give for the ball. Okay, I will give this outline. See, have you seen the outline? See here. Now we will give a red color. So we will give a light red shade for the bat. Also, again I am saying you follow only one method. If you are going by this method, follow only this method. Stick to any one method. See. See, do like this. Okay. So wherever it's not there, you are not given the shade, just do like this. Okay. See. Like that. See here, children. Try to give for children some of the other activity. It will be very helpful for you also and for them also. And it will be a good creativity for them. Slowly they will able to improve their handwriting, their learning power and the drawing. That is the creativity. Okay children, see now. See here. So I'm almost done with the bat. So bat we have given a shade. Now we will just give a shade to the ball. See here. Just follow the same method which you want to follow. Follow only one method. If you are going by this, follow only this method. Then wherever it's left, you can give a shade like this. See here. And give a shade like this. And after it's done, is given. Overall, you can do a coloring like this. Okay, children. See here. Overall, you can do a. Okay. So see here. Now we will just do a light shade in pink color. In pink shade, we will be giving here. Just see, just our own creativity. See here. See, so this is your bat and ball. So you have done with your bat and ball. Now we will just give an outer line. That is, in which color do you want me to shade? In bat and ball. Let's say we'll give here yellow color and red color we will write. See here. Bat. For the bat and ball we are giving here. You can see here. Okay, so bat and ball. You can see, otherwise also it's visible. It's quite visible. Still we will write here. See, bat. B-A-T. Bat. Give a finger space, then and. A-N-D. And again give a finger space, then B-A-L-L. Ball. Bat and ball. You can see here, children, bat and ball.